Alright, I hope I can help you out with this situation. The gas tank strap broke on my Chevy truck here. Alright, that's where the strap goes. It broke here, right there. And what happened to me is my whole tank fell down, and then it compromised my gas lines down here. I don't know how I'm going to fix the gas lines. I'm really not sure if I'm going to have the whole shooting match done or I'm going to sister it in. I'm not sure. But the problem that we're going to try to solve here today is this. I'm trying to get the bolt out where the strap goes. So the strap comes up and there's a bolt and it comes actually through here, but this has nothing to do with holding the strap in. Now there is the bolt head right there. Okay, so I do have it loose, which is a good thing, and it didn't take much to get that done. But the problem is it just spins and spins and spins. So there's a couple guys that made some videos on this, and they said, oh, take some stuff and block it in here to put pressure on that that bolt. And that's a crappy idea. It's not gonna work, especially with only one person. So what's actually happening is, in between where the bolt is, I did get it, in between where the bolt is and that part of the frame, there's actually a nut in there, and I don't know if it was previously welded or not, but let's see here. Right there's the nut on top. Right there. There's the strap. That's the little tab hanging off the frame. And the nut's right on top. Right there. That's what we gotta get at. Seems like I have a little bit better control doing it by hand. So I can hold out of the wrench. It's like when I was using the air, it seemed like it was like spinning it too fast. And the damn wrench was like basically falling off the nut. Ugh. We won. We frickin' won, dude. I won the battle. We won, guys. Just like that. 15mm wrench. And 15mm socket. Wants to fight all the way to the end, you know what? This is actually what was up inside there. And what happened is that broke off and snapped, and that's why I was just sitting there spinning around with the bolt. Hey, look, this helped you out. Consider being a subscriber. I do all kinds of different videos, if it's interesting or is helpful, I'm going to shoot the video and go from there.